In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix time synchronization failed on Windows 10 or 11 computer. Click on Start menu, click on Settings, and then click on Time and Language. Click on Sync Now, and time synchronization failed. Now I'm going to fix this issue. Close Settings, go to Search. In Search, type Services. Right click on Services, click on Run as Administrator. Scroll down. You will find a service, Windows Time. Right click on Windows Time and click on Properties. Stop the service. And in Startup type, manual is selected. Select Automatic and then start the service again. Now click on Apply and then click on OK. Now close Services tab. Click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Time and Language. Now click on Sync Now. Time synchronization failed. That means the problem is not still fixed. Turn off set time automatically and turn off set time zone automatically. Again turn those on. Hope this will solve your issue. If your issue is still continuing, you have to go for next step. Close Settings. Go to Search. In Search type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. Click on Clock and Region. Then click on Date and Time. Click on Internet Time tab. Now click on Change Settings. Here just change the time zone. Click on Update Now. Please wait. If you find update failed, an error occurred, you can change time zone again and again. Try for update. If you find the same issue, error occurred, then you have to go for next step. Go to Search. In Search type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt type w32tm/unregistered. Then type w32tm/registered. The following error occurred. That means you have to restart your computer and then run this command again. Close Command Prompt. Now click on Start menu, click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, go to Search, type CMD and run Command Prompt as Administrator. Then run the command w32tm/registered. Hit Enter. The command executed successfully. Then type net start w32 time. Hit Enter and the time service started successfully. Now I am going to check. Go to Start menu, click on Settings and now turn off set time automatically and then turn it on again. Turn off and on set time zone automatically and then click on Sync Now. It's trying to synchronize the time and finally the time is successfully synchronized with the time zone. That's it.